Remember, in the previous episodes of Dragon Ball, Son Goku, after many adventures, succeeded in eliminating the mutant and saved the Earth. The stakes were enormous. The lives of millions of people were at risk. Pan played no small part in saving the planet. In fact, it was a vital part, and she was overjoyed to be reunited with her family and the little robot. Then, on Earth, there was a long period of peace. Everything returned to normal. Everybody was free to live his or her life. Years went by. Our heroes grew old, and almost all of them went off to join Son Goku in the other world. The only one still in this world is Pan.
I'll catch you! Hi there, Gramps. Sleep well.
Junior, get up. It's time we started to work. Come.
Coming, Grandma.
Now a new Dragon Ball adventure. A grandson shows great promise.